When September rolls around, I'm always thinking about what I can make with apples. Today I want to share my apple cinnamon crumb muffins. They are easy to put together with lots of juicy apples and cinnamon. I'm Wendy, and welcome to the Baker's Loft. Start by mixing up our crumb topping. This is a mixture of unsalted butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, and all-purpose flour. You want to keep the mixture in large crumbles when you stir it, and don't overmix or it'll turn into a really thick paste. The star of the show here are the apples. You want to peel and chop about 2 medium apples for about 1½ cups. Now for our muffin batter. You want to mix together unsalted butter, regular sugar, and brown sugar, and you want to mix this on high speed for about 2 minutes until everything is smooth and creamy. Don't forget to scrape down your bowl to make sure you don't have any lumps hanging out in the bottom. We're almost there. We just need to add our eggs, our plain yogurt, and our vanilla extract. I like adding yogurt because it gives the muffins a nice cakey texture. When you start mixing your batter again, it's going to look like it's curdled. It's okay. You haven't done anything wrong. Trust me. Now in a large measuring cup, I'm going to mix together our dry ingredients. It's all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, ground cinnamon, and salt. Just give it a good all-around mix before we add it to our batter. Add your milk to the batter and mix until no flour is showing. And then we're going to fold in our apples. Now you can line your muffin tin and you can start scooping your batter into the liners. Make sure you fill them almost to the top. I like to smooth out the batter with an offset spatula. That way when you start adding your crumble, it'll just make it a lot easier. Make sure that you press the crumble down into the batter so that it sticks. And off to the oven we go. And just like that, you have delicious apple cinnamon crumb muffins. And if you're looking for more apple goodness, make sure you check out my video on baked apple cider donuts. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.